Welcome. This affirmation will help you open your heart to true love, attract your soulmate, and create deep, harmonious relationships. Love is energy. It flows where attention goes. When you begin to radiate love, gratitude, and warmth, you naturally attract people who match your vibration. Your thoughts and emotions send signals to the universe, and those signals bring love, connection, and synchronicity into your life. By repeating these affirmations, you fill yourself with trust and inner peace. Listen to them every day. In the morning to awaken love within, and in the evening to strengthen it. For the best results, set this recording on repeat while you sleep. Your subconscious absorbs the energy of love most deeply at night. At the end, you'll hear gentle sounds of nature to help you relax, let go, and allow love to flow freely into your life. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Feel your heart opening to love. Imagine a soft, warm light filling your chest and spreading through your body. Allow these words to sink into your subconscious. Repeat them silently or simply listen with trust and an open heart. I am open to love. I deserve love and harmonious relationships. My heart is ready to receive love. I radiate warmth and kindness. I attract people who love and respect me. My energy is filled with love. I create space for love in my life. I am grateful for the love that already exists within me. I deserve deep and genuine affection. Love comes to me easily and naturally. I trust the flow of life. I release the fear of being misunderstood. I am open to harmonious connections. I attract someone who resonates with my soul. I allow love to be part of my daily life. I choose to love and be loved. My heart is full of tenderness and light. I radiate confidence and attraction. I deserve care and attention. I welcome love in all its forms. I thank the universe for the love that's already on its way to me. I am open to meeting my soulmate. I let go of past hurts and fears. I trust that love comes at the perfect time. I feel the energy of love flowing through me. I deserve a deep, warm, and lasting love. I accept love without expectations. I radiate softness, warmth, and light. I am ready for healthy and happy relationships. Love fills my heart more each day. I am grateful for the chance to love and be loved. I choose relationships built on respect and support. I release everything that blocks love from entering my life. I believe in the power of love. I am open to genuine feelings. My heart knows how to love. I attract a kind, loving, and caring partner. I thank life for the opportunity to meet my soulmate. I deserve to be loved for who I truly am. I radiate an energy that attracts love. Love gives my life meaning. I feel mutual affection and warmth. My relationships bring joy and inspiration. I am open to sincere emotions. I allow love to flow freely through my life. I feel the universe supporting my heart. I am thankful for harmony and understanding. I create a loving space around me. My heart is open to happiness. I feel calm and confident when I think about love. I deserve loyalty and honesty. I release doubt and choose trust. Love is my natural path. I am open to loving, happy relationships. I feel warmth in every cell of my body when I think of love. I am thankful for care and attention. I receive love without fear. I deserve to love and be loved in return. I attract joy and inspiration through love. I trust the flow of life and emotions. I am open to beautiful feelings. My love brings harmony and peace. I deserve happiness and relationships. Love surrounds me everywhere. I welcome tenderness and support. I am thankful for meeting my soulmate. I am open to the miracles of love. I allow myself to be loved. I deserve true affection. My heart shines with love. I attract relationships filled with respect and passion. I thank life for love in all its forms. I feel warmth and gratitude. I am open to harmony and mutual understanding. I trust my heart. Love is my path and my energy. I receive love with joy and gratitude. I deserve happiness and love. I thank the universe for the person coming into my life with love. Remember, love begins within. When you love yourself and open your heart to the world, love always finds its way to you. Listen to this affirmation daily in the morning to awaken the energy of love, and in the evening to strengthen your inner harmony. For the best results, play this recording on repeat through the night. Your subconscious will absorb every word. At the end, you'll hear gentle sounds of nature to help you relax, let go, and allow love to flow freely into your life.